Welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored the quality of the front camera on the 70mai Dash Cam 4K A810. Today, we're shifting gears to all focus on the rear camera. For those who missed the last video, I just wanted to let them know that the Dash Cam boasts a dual camera setup, capturing footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle. While the front camera impressed us with its performance, let's see how the rear camera holds up. First up, let's take a look at the rear camera footage captured during the day. As you can see, the camera does a good job of picking up details, with a good balance of colors and sharpness. Let's check a few footages.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't.
Let's zoom in on the number plates of approaching vehicles. If the vehicles are slow, the camera captures them clearly, but if they're moving fast, it becomes much more difficult to make out the details.
To people putting up walls, I feel like life is on hold. Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time...
Now, as we move into evening and low light conditions, the rear camera's performance starts to show its limits. While it does capture the scene well, certain details like license plates of approaching vehicles might not be as clear. This is something to consider, especially if you often drive in low-light environments. While it does capture the scene well, reading the number plates of fast-moving vehicles becomes a challenge. This is even more noticeable as the light fades. At night, the rear camera faces its toughest challenge. The camera struggles a bit with bright headlights, which can cause some glare and reduce visibility of finer details. However, the overall view is still quite usable for most situations.
Alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we...
When it comes to adverse weather, like rain, the rear camera does a decent job maintaining visibility. While water droplets on the rear glass can impact clarity, the footage remains clear enough to provide a useful record of what's happening behind you if you continuously use the rear wiper.
Else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends.
During event situations, it works same as front camera. Both the cameras record 30 seconds of footage and keep them in a separate folder, which can be easily accessible.
Or just the start of it. Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space?
In conclusion, the rear camera of this dash cam offers reliable performance for everyday use. While it doesn't match the resolution and clarity of the front camera, it provides a valuable second perspective that can be crucial in case of any issues. Just keep in mind that reading number plates, especially at night or with fast-moving vehicles, can be challenging. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and comment. Please let me know if you have any questions. Stay tuned for our next video.
To a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.